welcome back to Lisanna Does Things. I'm so excited for you to be here on my video because I'm going to review the Foxybae Rose Gold Blowout Dryer Brush. So I got this over at, I can't remember if it's TJ Maxx or Marshall's. I got it at Marshall's for 40 bucks. But when I looked online to kind of get a feel for the product, it's actually worth $190. So savings on savings on savings. You know how that goes. I'm really excited to try it. I just did a quick Google search to see the reviews and it got like a 4 point something. So a lot of 5-star reviews. I have thick curly hair and I just need something that I can just use at home just to make sure that whenever I need a quick blowout I can do it. My hairdresser is actually an hour away and I just can't commute to get that done all the time, and it's 50 bucks just to get my hair done for a wash, blow, dry, all that fun stuff. So I'm gonna try it out. Hopefully you guys love the video. Go ahead and click the subscribe button down below and join the doll collection where I'm posting weekly videos of all things glam and fabulous. So I washed my hair, I dried it up a little bit. I'm gonna use Treseme's Heat Tamer and I'm just gonna spritz that all over my hair. We definitely don't want damage. Oh, my hair slapped me in my face. We don't want any heat damage, or at least more than what I already have. And I love to straighten my hair, and I love to use the flat iron a little bit too much. I'm gonna start by sectioning off my hair. I like to split it all the way down the middle and then do piece by piece. So this is the box. The features say that it brings salon grade results, ceramic tourmaline ionic technology combined with infrared properties, heats hair evenly from the inside out, locking in moisture, sleek and voluminous, fast, 2 rotating speeds and heat settings for faster, healthier blowouts, easy to use, safe and smooth. So nothing really exciting on the features. I feel like this is already too big for my hands. Look at this. It's really cute. It makes it look so fancy. I like the packaging. Okay. The grip is pretty good. So it does do a really nice job. It's straight, faster than I imagined. I'm pretty sure it's because of the size. Like this, ooh, I gripped it and it's hot. It's because of the size, because if I grip it, like, look, and I have big hands, so look at this. I do have to say that the grip is not comfortable. As I'm doing my hair, this wide part down here at the bottom makes it really hard to like have a comfortable grip. I don't know if you saw me kind of hold it here towards the end. It feels a little bit more comfortable. Then I'm blocking the airflow that I need for the blow dryer to do its thing. I like this up here. I'm able to twist it and turn my hair. So let's see what happens next. I'm gonna go here and twist it. So I am halfway done. Let's see. I have my wet side hair, which doesn't look as curly because I had it in a bun and I pulled it really tight when I was twisting it, so the curls aren't really there right now. But I did blow dry the other half. I'll give you my full opinion towards the end. There's some good, there's some bad, but I just wanted to check in with you guys and let you know how it looks like so far. So here we are. Okay, so I did the other side. Maybe I'm like rushing it, maybe I'm doing really big sections, but it's still a little puffy. But I do like how dry it is and how it's getting almost all the waves and the curls down in my roots. So I might do a second pass, because when I'm looking at the first time I straightened my hair, this section right here, it's so much smoother and what is the word I'm looking for? Straighter. Oh my gosh, duh. Straighter than this section right here. So I might just need to take my time and go ahead and redo those pieces so I can get a better, oh no, there's so much hair. There is so much hair. Oh my gosh. Okay. Wish me luck. You might have seen that I went back in and I did smaller sections just to get a little bit of that volume and that frizz out of the top layers. That's when I started to lose a little bit of patience, not because it's uncomfortable to use or that it took too long, but you can see here that this section in the back when I first started is way smoother because I gave it more attention than this section right here. It's just the way that I did my hair, and I kind of just wanted to be done with it. Okay, so let's go ahead and review. Foxybae, I got it for 40 bucks, but it retails online for like what, 180, 190 on their website. I freaking love this. So it's really good. It has its ups and its downs. So let's start with the really good stuff. I really like the packaging. It looked very nice. When it came in this box right here, this is like, it feels like velvety, but it's like plastic. So it looks very beautiful. Looking at the design, it's gorgeous. This is the rose gold one. And I like how it's wide because I have really long hair. I've used smaller ones before and they just take so long. And they're round. They're not oval shaped like this one. They do have the bower's head. Oh my gosh, that's... They do have these bower bristles, which are really good for distributing oils in your hair. But I think I messed them up because now they're like kind of flat when they're like kind of pointy. I don't know if it's because I have thicker hair and I did this in larger sections or because of the quality. I hope it's not the quality. I hope it's just, you know, kind of like a normal use thing. I'll show you in a zoom. Do you see how right here it's pretty... For the most part, it's pretty straight, and then in the middle, it's flattened out. And of course, my hairs are there. But I don't know if it's because of, you know, normal wear and tear, or if it's because of the bristles. This does get super duper hot. So I did get my finger a little warm. I didn't burn my scalp, which is a good thing. So unlike a Dominican blowout, when you know it's a really good blowout when they burn your scalp, this was not the case. It was really nice and easy to use. It didn't tug on my hair like other ones have in the past. I like just kind of like rolled it around or just pulled it out straight, and it was so freaking easy. I loved it. These top bristles are super soft and they give you like a massage on your scalp, so it feels amazing. The bristles at the bottom do a great job of straightening my hair too. This plate here is supposed to be ceramic. It does a really good job of drying your hair follicles from the inside out. That way you're not drying it too much or causing too much damage. The handle could use some work. When I was holding it, it was a little bit uncomfortable because it's not the same size right here. It kind of widens out at the bottom, so when I'm gripping it, my pinky's like pulling up most of the weight from the bottom. So it was a little uncomfortable. You can kind of see me in the video, just kind of like whine a little bit. I'm really surprised at how long it took me to dry my hair. It's faster than when I would go to a salon. I think I did this in about an hour. I'll post the time down below. It's really good. I like it. It has three heat settings. It's off, cool for cold air, 1 for low heat, 2 for high heat, and the heat delivers. I'm pleasantly surprised at how good it got my roots. So I'll show you right here. So it did a really good job. There's not a lot of waves in there, which is normal when you like dry your hair and you're not getting all the roots, but it does give you a ton of volume. Because I have thick hair, I'm not really looking for volume. I was kind of looking just to straighten it out really smooth. I think if I would have taken my time up here on the top, it would have been a little bit smoother. But I'm happy for the blow dry results that I got. My hair did get stuck here a couple times. So once I was straightening my hair, I would kind of bring it back like this, and a couple hairs would get caught here. And this is where it pulls in the air, so it gets heated up here. It sounds like a regular blow dryer. It works like a really good blow dryer. I highly recommend this. I give it an 8 out of 10. It's super lightweight, which I love. It's a little bit uncomfortable when I'm holding it right here. My pinky is kind of bearing all the weight from this bottom part. Trust me, it's lightweight. Like I can like balance it on 2 fingers. Kind of. Yes, I can. It does really do a really good job at getting in those little hairs. And it's not too frizzy on the top. I really think that I need to go back in and give it more time so I can go ahead and really learn how to use it and take more time here on the top of my hair so I can make sure that it's really smooth to the way that I want it. Now I'm gonna have to go back in with a flat iron and make sure that I take care of all of this, but for a blow dry in the time that I did it, for the amount of hair and length that I have, I'm really happy with it. There are certain ways that you can use it to get more volume in your hair. It's not what I was looking for, but it is possible. It's easy to use, and the best part is that this has a swivel cord. So no matter how many times you're twisting it or you're moving around from left to right, it does swivel with you. So you don't have to worry about the cord getting caught or having to untangle it in any way. The cord length is average, so I'm happy with that. It's not too short, not too long, so you get like stuck or it knocks off everything on your counter when you're doing your hair. It's the perfect size. So I apologize, I'm wearing a romper and I just realized that it looks like I'm not wearing anything on this video. So if there's any shots where it looks like I'm not, I really am, it's just a romper, you just can't really see it. Thank you so much, dolls. If you're interested, I have the link below for the product. If you're interested in buying it, I highly recommend it. So if you're interested in getting it, go ahead and click that link. The Amazon link is below. I used the TRIFOLD product, so this is also going to be in there if you want to use it. I love it. It smells really good, and it does protect your hair from heat. So when you're using not only a blow dryer, but a curling iron or even a straightening iron, trust me, that's what you need. So thank you so much, dolls. Go ahead and subscribe to the doll collection down below and join the doll collection. Sending so much love and positivity to my 90 dolls on my YouTube channel. We're almost at 100. Go ahead and check out my other videos here and let's keep the party going. I'll see you there.